Our iBSc in stem cells and tissue repair aims to educate students in this very hot and recent topic by training the next generation of clinicians in how to understand how stem cells work, how tissue repair or tissue formation occurs, and give them a great advantage when it comes to actually working in the clinic and trying to apply some of these regenerative therapies.
Stem cells and regenerative medicine are really at the forefront of research, and it's something that this course has really provided me a good grounding in.
We take students from a variety of backgrounds, so medical, dental, biomedical backgrounds, and we really try to teach them about the scientific method. We do this by intense tutorials, we do this by lectures, we do this by interactive discussion.
The tutorials, which are organized in small group sessions, where a maximum of 2 students interact with 2 scientists and design their own project proposal, identifying the biological questions at the forefront of scientific research, and then setting up different scientific aims to address these questions. This is a very unique feature of this program.
My highlight was definitely doing the lab project, so finally finishing the lab report. I think it's one of the best pieces of work I've ever made, and it took a long time, a lot of hard work, but I'm really happy with the result. I feel like it's actually contributed something to science rather than just being like an essay that no one will ever read again.
As part of my medical degree, I would never have got any experience in laboratory. I wouldn't know how to design an experiment, I wouldn't know how to critically appraise the results I got and interpret them. And so by coming here, I felt for a full year I really had a good grounding in that, and I was allowed to evolve my thought. It's provided me with a different way of thinking and approaching scientific material, which I never had before. I've never questioned a scientific paper before, and now I certainly do.
Throughout the course, you learn the theory, but the project is really the time when everything comes into place, where you get to use actually these experimental techniques you've learned about, and then you know basically how to put research data in a specific format.
This is not learning about research, this is doing research and becoming a research scientist. Learning how to apply the scientific method, how to think like a scientist. That's one of the key skills that the iBSc gives those who come from a clinical background. They can then employ that in later life in clinical contexts.
It was a really intense year, and the reward at the end was definitely worth it.